Lindsay, your production manager here with Blended Sense, and I am here at day 2 of Fence Supernova. We had day 1 yesterday. It was fun, action-packed, 11 hours, so we got a lot of footage. We are doing an event capture here to do some highlight videos for next year's promotional materials on social media. It has been fun, amazing, a lot of networking opportunities, so many amazing, interesting people to talk to here today. So we're gonna get back into it and capture some more content. Just asking about yesterday, kind of the same questions, but you'll actually have some. Fantastic.
Literally.
You'll do great.
Apple Factory background lights.
You, my friend. Good on you.
First question. Why did you decide to come to Fence?
Everything. I know a little bit about everything, but not a lot.
The human aspect and what happened to us and how we got here. I can never say or describe this by words and how much